Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you exactly how to search on TikTok from your browser. I am going to show you now how to search on TikTok. First, you have to open Google Chrome. Now you type in TickTok.com. Now you have to press right click, inspect. If it looks like this, you just have to press here and then it's gonna come up like this. Here you have to select from which device you want to connect. Then you log in. After you're logged in,
Heute und die nächsten Tage hat es bei uns Minusgrade. Und das
it's working. It's just easy as that. I didn't make a long video for this because it's not needed. Thumbs up please. Alright, thank you for watching me. Until the next time, peace.